Hello everyone, my voice is audible. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So today we will learn more about pivot tables. Okay. So this is the data set we will be doing pivot tables. I will share the data after completion of this today's task. Okay. So here is my data set. I need to select all of the rows and columns. After that, insert pivot table from table and range. Table and range has already been set from here. New worksheet, not existing worksheet. Location here. Okay. Okay. Now my screen is visible. So here are all my columns here. If I will, if I will go for sales represented here, I need to select a categorical column. The categorical column here is sales representative, was sales representative in rows and values for sales amount. If I will go for the view, so this is my view. Okay. So here what the inference we will get, the sales representative initiated a sales amount of like 9,65,541. Similarly, 10 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 9 lakhs. This type of this is a pivot table, and this type of tables we can do from selecting selecting the entire worksheet and then going to insert pivot table. Then from table range, you can click, you can create a existing worksheet. You can create here. Okay. And if I will go for reason, the values would be like quantity sold, like this. Okay. These types of means pivot tables comes with questions like uh, what is the most quantity sold in a region. Okay. So most quantity sold is in north region. Okay. Got it. Similarly for this one, which sales representative accounted for maximum sales. Accounted for maximum sales would be David, 11 lakhs. Okay. Yes, yes, I will share the dataset for your practice. We can also add filters to that. Okay. In this reason wise, we can add filters such as, suppose we'll add product category as my filter. Let's see what's happened to the, here is the clothing. Okay. In clothing, you can see that the sales amount is this much. In electronics, okay, the sales amount is this much. In food, the sales amount is this much. Later on, if you will click on all, it will reflect me back to the same data set. Okay, got it? Any doubt? Similarly, we can do for sales channel also. Payment method also. Which payment method got maximum number of sales? The best thing you can do is select the select some of the columns and rows, click on Ctrl C, copy this, go to ChatGPT, paste it here, ask him, give me some analytical questions to do in pivot table. You can see here lots of questions has been generated. You can practice from this. I will share this file also. Okay. Which region gives the highest average discount? Values average of discount. I am doing this one. How to do the average of discount? If I will do this one, rows reason values average of discount. Let me click down all the cells. Go to insert pivot tables from table range. Table has already been selected. Existing worksheet. I will click here. Okay. I will say reason for rows and discount. Discount, there is sum of discount. I will change it to average. Value field settings. I will change it to average. Average of discount. Okay. You can see here east, north, south, west. The discount average is greater in east. Okay. Similarly, payment method analysis. Which payment method generates the highest revenue? Value, sum, sales amount. Which payment method is most frequently used? Rows, payment method, count of product ID. Which payment method has highest average transaction value? Payment method, average of sales amount. Okay, lots of questions are there. I'm sharing it with you. Okay. This is a way of learning from ChatGPT or any of the open source AI tools. Okay. Got it? Similarly, From this pivot table, you can generate graphs also. Let me change it to average to sum. Okay. Uh, from this pivot table, you can generate graphs also. Recommended charts like bar charts. Okay. You have generated a graph from pivot table. Okay. Got it or any doubt? This is reason why selector. If you will deselect everything and select north, it will give only for north. Got it or any doubt? I will share this file to you, or you can also do provide the same data set. Not completely it won't asset because we are not using the paid version. So just a hint of columns and rows you can apply so that you can get a good amount of questions. You can create a calculated profit column also. So here I will say let it be profit equals to unit price minus unit cost multiplied by quantity sold. If I will drag it, it will give me a profit column. Control Z. I have just double clicked on this small box here. It will give me about all the rows profit column. Okay. From here we can also analyze that what is the profit for a returning customer or new customers. The returning customers are those customers who are buying more and more from the same vendor. Okay. So let us see from returning and new customers. Insert pivot table, existing worksheet. I will select here. Okay. I will select here customer type and profit. Okay, got it? Or any doubt? You can generate a graph for this one also. Insert recommended charts. You can go for pie chart or again column chart. Okay, so here is your chart available here. You have here product category also. You can select on electronics. Okay, the values will change. Okay, I'm selecting on all so that everything will be displayed. Got it or any doubt? Any doubt is there? Next thing what we will learn from pivot tables is, first thing, need to select all the rows and columns. Insert pivot table, existing worksheet, location will provide here. Okay, we can apply rows and columns here. Suppose my row is reason, columns is also a categorical sales representative, and my values are quantity sold. This thing also you can do in pivot tables. My row labels are reasons, my column labels are all the sales representative, and you can also see the grand total of columns as well as rows. Manje Gouda, please can you silent yourself? Hello, can you mute yourself? Manje Gouda, can you mute yourself? Okay, these things you can also create a graph for this one also. Insert recommended charts. Okay, you can see here there is a difference between this chart and that chart. Okay, here you got a legend. Okay, so let it be this much for today's session. We'll continue for next classes with next topics on Excel. Okay, I will share the file with in the group also. You can download it and practice on your own. Lots of questions are there. You can practice on your own. It will get you will get clarity out of pivot tables. Okay. These questions actually come from interviews. Uh, okay, these questions are from interviews also. Some interviews give you dataset and provide these questions so that whether you can answer or not. Okay, thank you. Huh?